Okay, so we'll see how we can get the container, Docker container terminal to do some hands-on practice. So this is freely available and it's open source. You don't need to do any further installations in your local system or anywhere. So it is freely available. So what you need to do, just type docker hub, then click on this login. For this you need to have a docker hub user account. The credentials are needed. Okay, so this my docker hub login is done. Then you can write the Google search play with docker. Next is play with docker. So this in the drop down you need to select the docker. One pop-up will open, then click on start. Okay, so the terminal is opened, and once you landed over here you can see the terminal is the session will get closed after 4 hours, so you can have the hands-on practice of 4 hours. Okay, so this is the instances. Below this all the instructions will be shown here, and if you click here in the configuration, it's already mentioned the template: 3 manager 2 workers, 5 manager no worker, 1 manager 1 worker. So these are all the predefined templates based on this. If you click on it, so 3 managers with 2 workers node will get created, and this is the configuration settings. The image files and all those are options. To toggle terminal full screen, alt plus enter, control plus plus increase font size, control minus minus decrease font size, and this is the keyboard format and the keyboard font size 3x 4x based on your requirement. Alright, so I will click on this creating instance. Okay, so my instance is already created. This is the public IP and this is the SSH address. If I want to access this node, I can access it. This is about the memory, 3.9 gigabytes, so 38 MB is currently used. This is about the CPU, and this is node 1. And if you click on delete, this node will get deleted, and if you click on this editor, so it will show you the folder or directory structure. You can do some changes here as well. Okay, this is my node 1, so I can see what is the files. You can see there are no files. These are the hidden files. Alright, so if I need to check any Docker container is running or not, there is no container is running now. So alt enter is for the full screen. Okay, so if I want to install or if I want to run a Docker container, so what I can do, so I can do some fresh installation. I will give my Docker container name as nginx1, so I will provide the port number, then I will give the image name as nginx. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so I guess I forgot. Okay, so there was one dash missing, so because of that I was getting this error. So once this command is running, you can see this will first check in the local system if this image is present. If not, it will pull from this Docker hub. All the images are here. You can check. See, this is the Docker official image. So this image will get pulled, and all the things pulling is done, and all this download latest new image. This is the reference of this image. So container is already created. So if I want to check ls, so I can see this is the container id, this is the image type, I mean nginx is the image, and this is created 41 seconds ago. Status is up since 39 seconds. Port is 00080 is the host port, and 80 is the application port. Type is tcp, and container name is nginx1. Okay, so if I see here, earlier it was not, I mean here, so it was empty, so I can see 80, so which means I have forwarded the port to 80. So if I click on this open port, if I pass 80, so this my nginx container is opening here. Okay, and if I give any other port, my application will not get opened. Okay, since this is not the correct port. Alright, I can create another instance as well. So here also I can check if any container is running or not. Docker version, so I can see this is the Docker version. All the data are about Docker version, so based on this we can do. So like that we can add multiple instances, and also we can implement Docker Swarm and make this as master, and all other nodes as Swarm, and the further communication part can be done. Okay, this was a small hands-on session. I mean, you can do it, and it is openly available. You don't need any further installation, so you can do it. And also you can do some IP forwarding or IP exposing. So instead of this 192.168, you can do some predefined IP. So using that IP and port number, you can access your application here. Alright, so that's all. So have a nice practicing. See you in the next video. Bye.